Well, this is a demonstration of the pneumatic opening and closing door, just like on Star Trek. So let's demonstrate the control panel first here. So to close the door, just move it around to close, like that. And it will close. You can hear it closing, we'll show you in a minute. And to open the door, just move it around like that. And it opens. So we go round to the actual door itself now. And I'll just do the same thing again. So I'm going to close it. And I'm going to open it. Now obviously having the control panel this far away from the door, it makes it a bit inconvenient to open and close the door, so there's also another mode. So if we now go back to the control panel, if we set it to close and then move the arrow away, this green light comes on and that means it's in automatic mode. So now I'm going to demonstrate automatic mode. So all I need to do is walk up to the door, it will open and it will close. I don't know if you can hear me, but you may be able to hear me. I'm going to come through the other way now, so I'm going to wait here, open and close. Underneath here you can see there's an Arduino with a lot of wires coming out of it, and beside that is the relay. Now those two relays actually control the solenoids, which I'll show you in a minute. And in order to get the actual pointer thing working, there's a little magnetometer up here, which is, well, blue tack for the moment until I get the calibration right, but that basically senses what orientation the puck on the top of the work surface is. So if we look at the puck itself, it's actually made from FIMO, and on the reverse it has some rare earth magnets actually glued inside, so that's how it tells the orientation and whether it's on or off the sensor. Automatic bit, there's two IR sensors from Sharp. There's one on the inside and there's one on the outside. I'll show you the one on the outside, and if I come around here, there's the one on the inside. And the door's opening and closing because it's in auto mode at the moment. I'll just go through again. And here we have a rather large compressor. I used to have another compressor, but it was so loud it was like a jet taking off, so I had to go for a slightly more expensive compressor, but it does a good job and it's about the same sound level as a fridge compressor, so it's not too... Here we got our piston. It's about 1 metre long and it's tied to the wall over there and at the end there, and we back off a bit, you can see all the pneumatic cables and stuff like that, but those are actually hidden behind the cabinet, as you'll see in a minute. And here we have cheapo valves. These are only a tenner each, which is quite good for this kind of pneumatic equipment. Got some silencers down there, and we got basically input and output. So there's a couple of those, one for open and one back there, you can see just about for close, and of course cables coming from the control unit. Up here we have where all those wires were before, which I showed you before, and as you can see it's all fairly well concealed now, fairly neat little build, so that's pretty good as well.